They were also victimized by Pastor Tibuloy, allegedly. Inabuso din daw, allegedly. During the 16-day police operation po ay may mga lumapit po sa PNP na nagsabi po na sila ay nabiktima rin po ni Pastor Tibuloy. So we are documenting those complaint at without revealing the identities of the possible victims po. I'm not sure kung nadagdagan, but what I can tell you is during the stay po ng PNP po doon ay may mga lumapit po na para magsalita at sinasabing sila rin daw po ay di umano. Again, di umano ay naging biktima din po. We are now in the process of coordinating with the SWDs because accordingly, some of the parents of those abused children were the ones who approached our police officer there. At ngayon nga po, we are now in the process of documenting those allegedly additional victims of Pastor Tibuloy.
Ano mga ages nito, Bernard?
I don't have any details yet, sir. But even how many of those are minors. So antayin po natin, sir, kung ano po ito. But I was made to understand na may mga lumapit daw po.